Everyone, 0635 here, and we're here at the Robo Hospital. Here's something that came in, I think about last week. This is an RS Media that was sent to be fixed. It's already been fixed. So that's one little minor issue. The issues with this robot was the neck gear was stripped. If it's still on here somewhere. Here it is. Right here. And it needed a good cleaning. Clean up a little bit. It has an issue with motor where it tends not want to go to one direction properly, but
Moving personality, ROM.
cool. Here he is.
I am Huawei Robotics model RS Media.
He's currently running on an adapter.
Customizable Robot Media Center. If you don't like the way I'm programmed, please redefine my personality.
So this is what I mean with the movement. He tends to be slow from one side, but he's fast on the other side, and honestly, I tried doing everything to get this right, but it doesn't appear that... I even replaced the motor, nothing works for it. So that's how it's going to be with this, but other than that, everything seems to be fine, so he's good to go. And another repair we have here that's currently pending. Another repair we have currently pending here is a server VT which is acting on this room. So there's that. And if you guys didn't know, I finally moved in. There's... oh, what happened to my phone? Oh, there we go. There's my girlfriend. Then 110. She's over there playing with one of our Ibos. That's Saphira. So more videos will be coming soon because my phone's about to run out of memory. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.